In this video, we will look at how do we calculate the tax that somebody has to pay. A word first about tax credits. Everybody who pays tax is entitled to a tax credit. Different people have different amounts of tax credit depending on whether you're a married person or a single person, or whether there's one person or two people in your household working. But the important thing for us is that the tax credit is an amount that's deducted, taken from the total amount of tax that you owe to the state. So copy down this little note here. So in this example, you might want to pause the video to copy this down. We're told that Pat earns $48,000 per annum. The tax rate is 21%. His tax credit is $2,140. And remember, the tax credit is the amount that's taken out of or taken from his gross tax. And we want to work out how much tax must he pay. Let's have a look at it. So, first of all, we see that his gross pay is $48,000. And then we work out his gross tax. And that's 21% or 0.21 of, which is multiply, 0.21 multiplied by 48,000. And that gives us €10,080. €10,080. That's his gross tax. Now we have to subtract from that his tax credit. So we minus his tax credit. And in this case, tax credit is 2,140. So we subtract that, and that tells us that his tax payable is 7,940. So that's the tax payable. So an important little example there. Now pause the video at this point and copy this table into your notes copy. Right, do out the first line, it's done for you, just copy it out, make sure you understand it, and then complete the second line.